Hello, this is Michael Grant with Applied CAX, and today I want to walk through how to get a CID from your computer in order to either get a new license for a Siemens product, PLM product, or to switch servers, switch license servers from one computer to another. First off, I wanted to kind of show that how I get to the support center area of Siemens, and I will supply some links. But if you lose track of the links, a couple different ways I get to it is by searching Siemens GTAC, and that's kind of an old term that they're going away from. But if you go to any of these GTAC links, they'll give you a link to the new area called the Support Center. And so I'll come back to that in a second. So the other way, of course, is if you were to directly search, Siemens Support Center. So both of these tabs are the same. Now from here, really it's very flexible as far as getting info even on questions. So if I type in anything, it's going to come up with some information, and then you can see here there's guidance as far as the type of support, and you can even narrow it down to products. And so, but I've kind of gone through this, and there's really there's some text-based guidance for getting the CID. I didn't see anything good, so I figured that was why I would make this video. But one thing I wanted to point out is if you're going to be getting your license or setting up a license server, which could be the computer you're running NX on or an actual server, you're going to want to go to this part of the support center. And then once you're here, this is a link to the latest release, or you can go to downloads and then click that link. So that's kind of where I was already at over here, on this tab. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Here you can see one of the guides I found. So I'll close that also. I did see, so under just, this tab here, or even knowledge base, the knowledge base, sorry, there are a bunch of good videos. I just didn't see one for what I'm going to show here. So, and maybe I missed it, but I did quite extensive searching. So I will show you that part, and then you can come back here for the installation videos, and I'll provide a link directly to that also. So basically, once you're into the right area of the download section, you're going to want to find the Windows. Normally, you're going to be downloading Windows. And you can directly download this exe, and this will take care of 64-bit Windows. So you'd want to download that, and then also you're going to want to download this host ID utilities, and that's what I'm going to show today. And so let me drag my window up here. And so here is that download, and I've unzipped the download and gone into the folder. And so now once you're in there, you're going to go into the Windows 64 folder and then run the get CID utility. And once that pops up, you're going to get the info for your CID. It's not a MAC address, but it's similar. Now, what I recommend is if you have, a normal network card, a wired network card, and a wireless network card, I would grab the one from your um, wired network card and not necessarily the wireless. And so you're going to want to copy this number here. So once you get that number, then you will fill out a form that's called a server change request, and I'll also provide a link to this form. You'll want to put in your, current or your sold to ID. I'm not sure the version part is important. Your company name, and then here is your composite host ID will go here on this line. Your physical address would be your MAC address. And so you'll want to fill out that info there. And to get your current ID, you can go to the top of your account here and say your account. I won't pull up mine because I don't want to give out that number, but you can click here and then it will show you more info, and we can certainly help with certain areas of filling out the form, but your CID is an important area that we can't do for you. My understanding is you don't necessarily need your MAC address, but I'll show how to get that just in case. In your search bar of Windows, you can basically type CMD, or you can hit your Windows key and R, and that will bring up your command. So once you're in a command prompt, you can say ipconfig/all, and then your physical address would show up there at the physical address section. All right, well, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.